Hello everyone. I'm extremely happy to know that Mr. Ashok Kumar CV has been chosen by Infosys for Rising Star Award to be presented during SAPUP 2.0. I know Mr. Ashok Kumar CV for past 17 years. I was one of the faculty members in the institute where he pursued his MBA. As a student, he was always a star for all of us. I have never seen in my 17 years of teaching experience a student being so talented and versatile. Whenever I spoke to him, I said one thing: Ashok, you're destined for something very big. I'm sure Ashok could add significant value to any organization he works for. I wholeheartedly congratulate Mr. Ashok Kumar for this wonderful achievement, and I appreciate the efforts of Infosys for recognizing this talent. Thank you.
I'm extremely delighted to know that Ashok got the award, the Rising Star. He indeed is a rising star. He has all ingredients for doing something remarkable in life. He's highly creative, very focused, committed to excellence, and a very strong growth mindset. And above all, is a very humble person. I wish him all success in life. Thank you.
Very committed, determined, innovative and creative person that Ashok is, he very well deserves it. I wish him more successes in all his future endeavors.
Hello, Ashok, I'm very happy to know that you are getting one more award, and it's a proud moment to get recognized by your organization, and wish you all the best. I always remember you doing your best and with a lot of sincerity in whatever you did.
Mr. Ashok Kumar CV was one of my best students. He is currently identified for Rising Star Award by Infosys. I feel excited to know that he has been nominated. I am very happy. I wish all the best to Mr. Ashok Kumar CV because he deserves the award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Ashok, for your Rising Star Award. Hearty congratulations and many more on your way.
Congratulations, Ashok, for your Rising Star Award. You are one of my students whom I can never forget in my teaching career.
I would like to congratulate him on this very well deserved accomplishment. I think the award appropriately reflects the endless hours he must have spent on his domain and assignments. This is not a new surprise for us to see his success. Success is always right from the day when you started achieving. Success is yours always on the new ventures you take every now and then. Your dedication, enthusiasm and insight are really inspiring. You deserve it every bit, Ashok.
Ashok, it's wonderful to hear that you won the Rising Star Award in Infosys. Well done. Keep up the good work.
My heartiest congratulations to you, Ashok, and the company.
It is a great pleasure and happiness to know our student Shri Ashok Kumar CV is the rising star of the Pride Company of India, Infosys. During his students' days too, he was a go-getter with varied interests and pursuing all the interest with perseverance and a strong determination. We at the Department of Management Studies, JNN College of Engineering, Shumaga, are sure that Ashok will climb to greater heights in his career, profession as well as personal life. Let God Almighty bless him always. Thank you.
Hello Ashok. Pleased to see you accomplish this Rising Star accolade. Best wishes for your next.